Hey gang, Carl White here in the famous kitchen answering questions. Carl Kitchen answering questions. I like that. Maybe we'll name this with my famous Bucky's cup. Anyway, the question I want to answer today is something I get asked a lot. It's like, hey Carl, what are some rebuttals loan officers can use to real estate agents who said they don't meet anybody for coffee? So number one, you want to make sure you're marketing to real estate agents because 67% of all purchase loans close with a loan officer that the real estate agent recommended, right? Can't ignore that number. That's a huge mistake, right? So when they say they won't meet with anybody, first of all, of course they will. You just haven't given them good enough of a reason, right? So if you told them, hey, I got a $10,000 check I'm going to give to you, it's got your name on it. If you meet with me, you just take it, go cash it, and it's good to go. And if they believed you, 100% would show up, right? So we just have to give a good enough reason. Now, a lot of people make the mistake by thinking, well, I need to bring a bunch of widgets and I got to help them build their business. You don't have to help them build their business. These are already the top 4 or 5% of the agents that you're meeting with. These are the top 4 or 5% in the nation, which is the ones that you want to meet with, that's worthy of your business time. They don't need your help building their business. They've already got a robust business. But what they do like is a little bit of attention. Everybody likes, especially the winners. The winners like a little bit of spotlight, a little bit of attention, and it's a deserved attention, right? They're worthy of this stuff. So here's a script that you could use. Hey, I'd like to meet you with a cup of coffee because I'm a student of success and I'd like to hear your story. Hey, Realtor Lisa, my name is Carl White. I'm a student of success. I'd love to hear your story. I'd love to treat you for a cup of coffee here. What are you doing? I saw your numbers on a recent report. My gosh, I'd love to hear how you're making that happen in today's market. I'm a student of success. I'd love to hear your story. That's a fantastic script. Actually, I got from Irene. And boy, that's a really good script that I think will work for you really well. We're using it in my branch and it's working out real well for us. So you just simply need to bring something of value, but it's not a bunch of widgets. It's you, your attention, and shining a little bit of a spotlight on them. And these people are worthy of a spotlight because they're the top agents in the nation. Hey, if you'd like to go over some more scripts or where we get our list from, there's a link somewhere on this page. You can just click that link and would love to talk to you. We'll tell you where we get our list of qualified agents from, and we'll give you the exact scripts. How do we pick which agents to talk to? What do we say when we meet with them? What does that follow-up look like? How do we actually get loans from them? And we'd love to share all that with you. Absolutely free, no charge whatsoever. Click the link, pick a time and date on the calendar that works best for you, and I'll see you on the inside. Looking forward to the conversation.